today I want to talk just a little bit about Crest Complete Whitening with Scope.
My entire family enjoys using it.
It just gives you really nice, clean, fresh breath. It also has the advanced sugar shield.
It strengthens areas weakened by sugar.
So it just helps protect against cavities.
Especially if you're a mom, if you have kids, if you have anything like that, it's kind of nice to kind of have protection on your children's teeth.
This toothpaste is a minty flavor because it has the scope already in it.
It's minty, but not a burning type of minty, so it tastes really good.
This is a toothpaste that the whole family can use.
It's not too strong, but it does keep your breath noticeably fresher.
It did a really good job at making your breath fresh and keeping it fresh for a while.
It cleans my teeth really well.
It also protects your teeth.
It got rid of the stinky breath in the morning. It got rid of the day's mess on your teeth at the end of the night.
It's really refreshing. It's really minty. Your mouth feels really clean afterward.
Crest Complete Whitening with Scope is one of those products that really is great for the whole family.